From the moment we take our first breath, mitochondria ignite the fire of energy deep within our cells. They labor ceaselessly, converting food into ATP, the universal currency that sustains life. With every heartbeat, every thought, every step, ATP fuels the machinery of existence. Yet this power is not without cost. The chemistry that grants us vitality also leaves behind sparks of damage, and the fragile balance between creation and destruction shapes our health, our aging, and ultimately our lifespan. The transformation of energy begins with a grain of rice, a slice of bread, or a sip of fruit juice. Carbohydrates are broken down through glycolysis into pyruvate, which enters the mitochondria and is transformed into acetyl-CoA, the entry ticket to the Krebs cycle. Though the cycle yields little ATP directly, it produces vast amounts of NADH and FADH2, molecules brimming with high-energy electrons. These carriers are the lifeblood of the electron transport chain. Importantly, this cycle is not exclusive to glucose. Fatty acids enter through beta-oxidation, and amino acids feed in through multiple pathways, unifying the body's diverse nutrients into a shared energy hub. It is in the electron transport chain that energy is truly magnified. Electrons pass along protein complexes in a carefully orchestrated sequence, releasing energy that pumps protons across the inner membrane. The resulting gradient powers ATP synthase, a molecular turbine spinning furiously as protons rush back, coupling ADP with phosphate to generate ATP. From a single molecule of glucose, as many as 36 ATP may be created. It is a marvel of bioengineering. But this system, for all its efficiency, is imperfect. Some electrons leak prematurely, colliding with oxygen to form reactive oxygen species, the first flickers of oxidative stress. These free radicals are paradoxical entities. At low levels, they act as messengers, stimulating repair and adaptation. In excess, they trigger chain reactions of destruction, tearing into proteins, lipids, and DNA. Mitochondrial DNA, positioned perilously close to leakage sites and lacking nuclear protection, is especially vulnerable. Over time, oxidative scars accumulate, energy production falters, and impaired mitochondria release even more ROS, driving a vicious cycle of decline. This cycle underpins the fatigue and frailty of aging, as well as the emergence of diseases ranging from Alzheimer's and Parkinson's to cardiovascular dysfunction and cancer. The consequences of this imbalance are vividly illustrated in medicine. In neurodegeneration, oxidative stress accelerates toxic protein aggregation and synaptic collapse. In the heart, reduced mitochondrial efficiency undermines contractility, predisposing to heart failure and arrhythmias. Even cancer exploits ROS. While high bursts of radicals can kill cells, chronic sublethal exposure fosters mutations and metabolic reprogramming, enabling tumours to thrive. Yet the body is not defenceless. Evolution has endowed us with an intricate antioxidant defense network. Vitamins C and E donate electrons to neutralize radicals. Selenium and plant-derived polyphenols enhance enzymatic shields, and coenzyme Q10 plays a dual role inside mitochondria, both as part of the electron transport chain and as a direct antioxidant at its source. Beyond nutrition, lifestyle provides another line of defense. Exercise and intermittent fasting, though they briefly raise ROS, paradoxically strengthen resilience through hormesis, training cells to upregulate their protective systems. On the scientific frontier, researchers are working to refine these defenses. Mitochondria-targeted antioxidants like MitoQ, NAD+ precursors and strategies to boost mitophagy and mitochondrial renewal are being tested as tools to slow aging and treat disease. Their common goal is to preserve the delicate balance between energy generation and oxidative injury. Energy, then, is never free. Each ATP molecule comes with the potential for collateral damage. What defines our health is not whether damage occurs, but how effectively it is countered. Whether sparks of instability remain fleeting signals of adaptation or grow into flames of decline. Mitochondria are therefore more than power plants. They are timekeepers and guardians, determining whether life unfolds in resilience and renewal or succumbs to the gradual erosion of age.